The Great Run of Kutch in India's western state of Gujarat is a landscape where the horizon fades into endless white. The shimmering salt desert may look surreal, but life here is tough, and for years, education remained out of the reach for many children. Now that story is changing. Buses have been transformed into mobile classrooms, bringing learning directly to the salt fields where children are studying, exploring new technology, and shaping their dreams. Known for its vast white landscapes and endless horizons, Kutch in Gujarat holds a beauty like no other. This land tells two contrasting stories. On one side, the vibrant Great Run, and on the other, the quiet little run shaped by hard work and resilience. Here, the Agaria community spends months producing salt, living in the fields with their families. For their children, education was once a distant dream, but that's changing. Mobile schools have turned simple buses into classrooms, bringing learning to the heart of the salt plains, ensuring that their future no longer stays out of reach.
माता पिता के साथ नमक के काम के लिए जो अगरिया जिसको गुजराती में बोलते हैं वो आते हैं और उनके साथ उनके बच्चे भी आते हैं। तो उनके माँ बाप जो है वो अगर में अपना कार्य करते हैं और उनके साथ जो बच्चे आते हैं यानी बाल वाटिका से लेकर कक्षा 8 तक यानी 9 स्टैंडर्ड के जो बच्चे हैं वो यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए आते हैं और गुजरात सरकार द्वारा यहाँ जो सभी सुविधाएं भी दी गई है, जैसे कि ये बस की सुविधा दी गई है, टीचर और टीचर के साथ 2 और टीचर भी है, यानी कि कुल मिलाकर हम 3 टीचर यहाँ काम करते हैं। बच्चों को 10:30 से लेकर 5 बजे तक हमारा यहाँ पढ़ाना रहता है।
In the middle of the desert, these simple buses have turned into classrooms. Inside, you will find books, a blackboard, and a strong desire to learn. Education truly on wheels. Children like Jayesh and Rinku, who migrate to the little run of Kutch each year with their families, can now continue their studies without interruption. Places may change, but their learning does not, and neither do their dreams.
ભણવાની ખૂબ જ મજા આવે છે ને અહીંયા જેવું ગામમાં ભણીએ એવું અહીંયા જ ભણીએ છીએ। અમને રોજન મધ્યાહન ભોજન પણ મળે છે, રોજન ચીકી પણ મળે છે, નાસ્તો પણ રોજન મળે છે।
હું ધોરણ 8માં ભણું છું, મને ભણવાની બહુ મજા આવે છે। અહીં રમવાનું સાધન પણ છે, જમવાનું પણ હોય છે, ચીકી આપે છે, દૂધ આપે છે।
In the vast wide expanse of the little run of Kutch, these mobile schools have emerged as a beacon of hope for the children of salt workers. Powered by solar energy, supported by modern technology, and complemented with nutritious meals, learning now continues right in the heart of the desert.
बच्चा यहाँ रहता है तो उसको खाने के लिए दोपहर में जो अपने स्कूल में मिलता है, ऐसा ही मध्याह्न भोजन की व्यवस्था गवर्नमेंट की ओर से की गई है। पौष्टिक आहार के लिए प्रोटीन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट सब मिले, इसीलिए उसको सीज़न के अनुसार चीके भी मिलता है इधर, और अलग अलग फ्लेवर के मिल्क भी दिया जाता है, यानी कि बालक का पूरा विकास हो सके।
In the wide expanse of the little run of Kutch, mobile schools are bringing new hope to the children of salt workers. This initiative shows that even the toughest conditions can't stop dreams. Here, it's not just salt that shines, the future does too.